So this round is gonna be very basic. So most of the students कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मार खा जाते हैं और धोखे, simple ratios, percentage इसके related very basic question. How can you deal with the situation? The hotels are not just seeking for toppers and all. They are tips to crack this test. Might not get calculated. वो समझ नहीं आ रहा, leave it. PEP technique, prize speaking test, and have a good eye contact and smile. That is body language. So it will be a very random topic with confidence and calmness. Welcome. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and I hope all of you are mentally and physically fit. So this video is gonna be third round of our placement preparation series. This video is really important. Why? Because this is before the PI round. This is also a basic and important to crack it. So this video will be all about aptitude test and impromptu round. So let's begin this video without wasting your time. So first question is, what is aptitude test? So aptitude test is basically, it is an online based test. It takes 30 to 1 hour to complete the test. That's it. So what actually things are there? So first thing is your logical thinking, and second is your basic maths. You should have a good maths, like itna bhi kuch nahi ki basic maths means very basic, like simple ratios, percentage इसके related very basic questions. Third will be your English. तुम्हें English कितना आता है? Not very कि vocab वगैरह वो पूछ लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं. Hospitality awareness basically your basics about every department. That will be about hospitality awareness. Last is your communication and situation based. ठीक है, situation based questions रहेंगे about FOs में there are a lot of situations, okay, and in FNB lot of situations will be there. So how will you deal with that situation? It's all about it. And why is it conducted? So why is it really important to give? First is they'll check your how will you handle the pressure, because कम time में questions ज़्यादा रहेंगे. So how will you conduct, how will you able to do that work in that pressure? So they'll check your handling the pressure. Second will be your thinking logically, how well you can think and how fast you can think, उसमें ये रहेगा. Third will be how you make decisions very quickly, कि तुम्हें tougher one पहले करना है या ये करना है, तो ये सब चीज़ें भी देखा जाएगा उसमें. Deal with the real guest question. तो इसमें जो भी सिचुएशंस दिया रहेगा टेस्ट में, इट विल बी रियल बेस्ड. आर यू एबल टू डील विद दैट रियल बेस्ड सिचुएशंस, वो भी देखा जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि होटल सिर्फ टॉपर्स को लेना चाहता है और इसमें सिर्फ टॉपर्स आ जाएंगे, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दिस थिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ मिथ कि टॉपर्स को लिया जाता है. इसमें कोई भी इंसान कर सकता है. इट्स सो बेसिक्स, इफ़ योर मैथ्स आर क्लियर, इफ़ यू कैन थिंक अच्छे से एंड सिंपल से इंग्लिश आती हो, बेसिक्स, इफ़ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ग्रामर एंड सेंटेंस मेकिंग, इट्स मोर देन इनफ. इट्स नॉट दैट टफ. ठीक, सीकिंग जो रियली फोकस्ड रहे, गेस्ट ओरिएंटेड जो रहे, दे वॉन्ट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. दे वॉन्ट स्मार्ट, रियल बेस्ड, रियली फोकस्ड ऑन गेस्ट. दैट्स इट दे वॉन्ट. दे डोंट. So what will be the tips to crack this test? Practice simple maths. जिसको मैथ्स नहीं आता, जिसको थोड़ा बहुत कैलकुलेशन में दिक्कत होता है, क्योंकि दे वॉन्ट अलाउ यू कैलकुलेटर और नॉट, मतलब वो डिपेंड करता है वो तुम्हें कैलकुलेटर देंगे या नहीं देंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि सेकंड विल बी योर डू नॉट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन टफर वंस. इफ तुमको वो समझ नहीं आ रहा, लीव इट. गो ऑन द रीड सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस ट्वाइस, क्योंकि तुम्हें एक बार में समझ नहीं आएगा, एक बारी और पढ़ लो, एक बारी और समझ लो, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन. थिंक लाइक अ गेस्ट हैंडलर. हाँ, रिवाइज होटल बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. या सो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मार खा जाते हैं और धोखा खा जाते हैं, इज़ व्हेन दे आर नॉट क्लियर विद देयर बेसिक्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट. बेसिकली पीपल विथ FNB, पीपल विथ FO, विथ पीपल विथ HK, बिकॉज वो कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन बेसिक्स पूछ सकते हैं, तो योर बेसिक्स शुड बी रियली क्लियर. सो या अपनी अनदर इज योर इम्प्रॉम्प्टू राउंड. सो व्हाट इज इम्प्रॉम्प्टू राउंड? इट इज़ अ सरप्राइज स्पीकिंग टेस्ट where you will be given time 1 minute to think and 1 to 2 minutes to speak. So it will be a very random topic which you might be familiar, you might not be familiar. So it's luck based questions कि कुछ भी आ सकता है तुम्हारे साथ. So ये राउंड में दो चीज़ें टेस्ट होते हैं, your spontaneous speaking and second is your spontaneous thinking, कि तुम think करके कितने जल्दी बोल सकते हो. You must be wondering what are the types of topic they might ask. फर्स्ट इज योर हॉस्पिटैलिटी बेस्ड, ऑब्वियसली हॉस्पिटैलिटी बेस्ड के ही क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. सेकंड विल बी योर जनरल, जैसे सोशल मीडिया गुड और बैड, और जेंजीज are good or bad, this kind of questions. Next will be abstract. So इसमें ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि they might ask what is your favorite color, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite cartoon, what change is constant or not, such kind of questions. Why most of the people can't crack it? It's just because they can't think spontaneously and they can't speak up. They can speak in groups. जैसे कि मैंने last video में I made in GD में people can speak because lot of the people are speaking around them. But when it comes to individual speaking and speaking to the panel itself, that comes a very difficult, to crack. How will they evaluate your, impromptu round? So what I have seen in mine is they'll evaluate your fluency, how well you can speak. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अटक रहे हो तुम बार बार ही या कर रहे हो ऐसा. So second will be your smile and how well you maintain that eye contact with the panel. Third will be your confidence and calmness. क्योंकि when it comes to an individual speaking with the panel, nervous system कुछ अलग ही way में काम करने लगता है. The most important is your body language. Don't just sit stiff and do not just slouch. Don't do like that. Have a good body language. Okay. Third will be your how good ability you have to connect the ideas which you have. Now, like how do you structure your answer? So a very basic thing which I have used in my impromptu round was PEP technique. This is a very simple method. PEP stands for P first stands for point. So पहला P is your point. तुम्हारा जो statement है stated clearly. E will be your example which is real based examples. So जो another P है, that P is the purpose where you will be concluding. जो तुमने बोला सारा कुछ समराइज करोगे. So PEP, that will be your technique which you'll use. Okay. P, how can you crack this? Speak clearly and have clarity what you're speaking. Do use simple English. You don't have to use rocket science English. कोई accent की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Do a smile every single time, no matter what the condition is. But keep on smiling. Use hotel examples. It will make a great or huge impact when you use hotel का example. Other is end with a concluding line. So do have a conclusion because मुझे भी एक बारी I had this thing when I was in Hilton. So she told me, I was very nervous, that was my first impromptu and I gave my good example. I had a good starting, but the thing was I haven't concluded it. So she told me, please do conclude it. And then I got to know, oh, conclusion is important. So do conclude your whole statement, whatever you have said. So summarizing this video, aptitude test will be testing your logical thinking and impromptu will check your communication and attitude. What attitude you carry with yourself. That's all they will check with you. To wrap up, I hope this video is really informative. If there is anything I should know or please let me know in the comment section. I'm there to help you. The fourth round will be your PI round and yeah, it's really important to crack it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Okay, bye. Take care of yourself.